All right, so we just got this vehicle sunroof sunshade from
EVBase. Gonna do an honest review for you all.
Yeah, well, let's see how easy it is to install.
Okay. This is what it looks like. Oh man, are you gonna have to put this together? Look.
Yeah, there's like actual metal pieces, right?
Wow.
So there's work to do.
For you.
Oh man. Alrighty.
Okay.
See if they got good instructions. So we're gonna lay some of the stuff out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Try to keep it in the foam. And rest this right here. All right, so they gave us some tools. Obviously white gloves to protect the interior. And
nice.
we got this really long screwdriver.
It's so tiny. I'm gonna keep that.
And what do we have here? 4 screws and 2 bolts.
Okay.
So I don't see instructions yet, but sure something's afoot. Oh, it's pretty straightforward.
Is it labeled? Yeah. Okay.
So everything's labeled. So we're gonna work with what we got here. Let's see if these gloves fit me.
True.
They do fit, sort of. My big hands are
Oh man.
torn. All right.
I can't believe it didn't come with instructions.
Well, I don't know. Maybe they're saying like, hey, this is so easy to install. You don't need instructions. This is for the front. Yep, the front. So we're gonna try to put this in the front right now. So we're gonna install this by putting the passenger side, slide it into the panel there. And then we're gonna slide this here on the driver's side and go as far as we can forward. Not all the way, and you'll see why in a minute why we don't need to go all the way. So that's the front.
Okay.
In the rear, stick it in there, slide it in there, and there you have it.
Okay.
This is the actual shade. All right, so I'm gonna put this one in the hole here. There we go. Oh, it's in. And let me get one of these bolts because I think we have to kind of put the bolt in right here in this little spot, like that. There we go. I'll hold it. And we'll screw it in. That's one side. And we will bolt the other side once I find my tools.
Right there?
Ah. That's why I need you, girl. Because I don't know where I put my stuff. Push it in. Then I'll take the bolt. Put the bolt on the back side. Now this would have came in handy if they had sent this to us in the summertime, right? When it was 100 degrees. Cool. Yeah. So we've secured the frame from folding in half. So I'm going to try to just gently put this in without scratching.
Do you still need me to hold?
No.
Okay.
I'm good. You can do your videographer thing, right? Because that's what you are, like a professional. All right, so I'm gonna, I guess, unscrew this screw, which I probably could do with my hand, right? Look at that. And obviously I'm doing this all by myself because I don't need help. I'm just kidding. All right, that goes there. So if you don't have help, just look at my feet. Just gotta hold it down there like that.
Nice.
Nice. Now I got this one screwed in. Like I said, we don't have instructions, so gotta work with what we got. All right, time for me to do the other side.
Is it going in? Okay.
All right, so we definitely needed 2 people to install the frame.
Yep.
Right, so the pretty camera lady had to quit her job. So time to install this piece, right? What do you call this piece? The upholstery? I don't know. So far, on a scale from 1 to 10, how easy of an installation is this?
Oh man, I would give it a.
I'm gonna say a 7.
7.
Oh man, you said the same thing. I just whispered it.
Really?
Yeah.
It's about a 7.
It has Velcro
Yeah.
linings, and obviously the frame has Velcro as well. So hopefully you can't tell the difference between this and the actual original Tesla interior.
Only one way to find out.
Let's do it. Okay. Velcro the sides.
There you have it. What do you think?
I feel like I'm in a Rolls Royce. It's not noisy at all. At least at 18 miles an hour. Yeah, that was a big bump.
Yeah.
No noise.
No noise.
This is a good option for you.
Yeah.
I think EVBase is onto something here. Like I said, my only complaint is the creases here. It's got some creases.
Yeah.
Is it growing on you or no?
Yeah. It definitely like it's blocking out some sun, like the heat from the sun.
Yeah.
Especially like right now. Because I can feel it coming from the front.
And what if I just open it up like this? You know, the option. Well, like you said, that seamless like panoramic roof, it takes away from some of it, I think.
Yeah.